Okay, this is how to clean your Xbox. So just the front. I'm not cleaning the whole entire inside and stuff. But my Xbox is pretty dirty, so I just thought I'd make this video. Okay, first what you're gonna want to do is take off the front cover, which I've already took it off. And if you want to take it off, then by that time, there's this little thing right there. You just pop it off. Right, everyone should know how to do that if you have an Xbox. Okay. Now, and that's how if you want to change it too. Now what you're going to want to do is have a toothbrush, a glass of water, and some acne things. I think that's what they are. Alright, first you're going to want to first you're going to want to take this. It doesn't matter if this gets dirty because there's no electrical stuff in it. So, mine's pretty sticky right here and stuff. So take your toothbrush, dip it in your water, and then just let that open, scrub that down. You're good and stuff. And if yours is sticky, but if it's just dusty, then all you gotta do is just take a duster and stuff and dust it down. But mine's sticky. I think my brother's kid spilled juice on mine or something. Then take your towel. Then just wipe it off and stuff. And I'm probably selling my Xbox, so if anyone wants to buy it, I'll leave my email in the description below. So just email me, and we can set up a thing. But I live in Ohio, so if you live in Ohio, actually it doesn't really matter. I'll ship it to you, but still, I'm probably gonna sell it for $200. So now that it's all dry, mine's still a little sticky, so I'm going to do it over again. Oh, crap. Okay. I bet there's a lot of videos like this, but I was just bored one day and I had to clean my Xbox anyway, so I just said, F it, I'll just record. And the B one is the worst one because this little thing right here is blocking the way from making this go all the way down. So for memory A, you can go all the way down so I can get it really good. But B is the one that's sticky the most and I can't really get it. Try it from this side. Or if you have any friends that wants to buy it or something, just tell them to email me or something. I might put it on eBay. Or just might take it to GameStop to see what they'll give me for it. this whole thing off, make sure it's nice and dry, because it could mess up your Xbox if it's not. Gotta make sure this is dry. These are like cotton balls, but like in a paper form, I guess, or like in a flat form, not a ball form. Alright, almost there. Just one more of those flat wood spots. And the thing about these is that they can fall apart and get stuck in your Xbox and stuff, so yeah, right, so now let's finish with the Xbox. My Xbox is pretty dirty, like I said before. Alright, so I'm probably not gonna really be in the video, but you probably will need, like, if you have the, like a can of air that you use for your computer and stuff, that'll work for the dust, but not so much the juice stains and stuff, and other stuff that's on it. But I'm just gonna use my mouth. No homo. Alright, so that's good. And now, you'll be very careful when you use this toothbrush on this. That you only get it in the spots that you need it in and not in the other. Alright, so I'm gonna do it on top of the thing right here. And right when you're done, dry it. So that it won't leak anywhere or anything. You could probably just get this wet a little, and then just use a towel to scrape it all off. You know, with all the nasty stuff. I hate it because this thing used to be sticking. This thing right here, after I press it, I like pound on the top, and I know it's not good for it, but I had to for it to open. And that was getting on my nerves, so I thought I'd just open it up and stuff. So now, over the top again, do the same thing like I said. This is gross. Yeah, you kind of want a toothbrush with a tongue scrubber on the back. For it too. You don't have to, but crap. Alright, now this is kind of the hard part. I'm gonna do it right there in between. I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of dark in here, but this right here, this silver part, there's juice on there too. And the only reason I'm cleaning it is because my game won't work. My Skate 3. It like was lowered and then it wouldn't work, but so maybe like I thought I'd just like clean it just to make sure. There is a way to snap this off, but I think you have to open it in order to do that, and I don't feel like opening it. Alright, I'm gonna work really fast, make sure everything's on. I'm not responsible for anyone who wants to clean their Xbox and gets it wet, so do this on your own risk if you want. Alright, there you go. And if you want to clean the top, you can do that too. My Xbox is pretty much brand new. As you can see, it's like pretty much in good condition. So if you want to buy it, just message me or something. And if you want to open up your Xbox, you see this right here? This Xbox thing. There used to be a sticker down here, but on this one, on other Xboxes, there's a sticker down here. But if you break this seal, and if you want to open up your Xbox and you break this seal, you just messed up your warranty. So before you open up your Xbox or anything, make sure your warranty's up, or you just don't care anymore, or you have another Xbox or something. Because if you break this, and if they see that it's broken, then your warranty's over with. So, that's pretty much my video on how to clean an Xbox. Yep, so subscribe and comment in the lower things below if you don't like how I did this video. And I'll try next time to make it better. And I'm just gonna put this back on. Put it on from the bottom up. Put it on from the top up. Alright. There's my video. And this thing broke. Yeah, that's the only thing that's wrong with this Xbox. The spring on that thing inside there broke. So it's just always open. But you can tape that in the back. Alright. That's how to clean an Xbox.